Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. You, the crypto pro, the DeFi pioneer, the work-from-home warrior, you know the game is all about speed and security. You're already crushing it in Web3. But what if I told you there's a tsunami coming that will either make you a financial superhuman or leave you scrambling for a job? I'm talking about quantum computing. No, it's not just a science project anymore. It's the single biggest threat to and opportunity for every single part of the financial world, from your favorite altcoin to global banking systems. In the next 8 minutes, I'm dropping the 11 essential quantum learning areas you must master to not just survive, but to dominate the next financial era. If you're not learning this, your competition already is. Stick around because this is the quantum leap that defines your career. We're breaking down the 11 most vital skill areas you'll find in the best quantum computing courses, specifically those targeted at finance and tech. Forget the physics, we're focusing on the monetary payoff. Why now? Because the classic encryption methods underpinning all your crypto and banking data, things like RSA, are about to be cracked like an egg by a theoretical machine called a quantum computer. That's monetary system security, area #2, and it's job number 1 for you to fix, but that's just the defensive play. Let's talk offense. Benefit point 1, unlock unprecedented algorithmic power. Think about your trading strategies now. They're fast, but they hit a wall. That wall is called classical limits. Quantum rips that wall down. We're looking at exploring trading ideas and algorithmic power for real-time transactions. Imagine running portfolio optimization that simultaneously analyzes every single asset combination to maximize returns while instantly minimizing risk. That's what quantum algorithms do. They don't just calculate, they discover optimal solutions in seconds that would take current supercomputers years. For a crypto pro, this means ultra-fast arbitrage, sub-millisecond fraud detection, and hyper-accurate market prediction by detecting non-obvious patterns in chaotic high-frequency markets. This is your future alpha source. This is about making decisions so fast and so perfectly optimized, your competition won't even see you coming. Benefit point 2, future-proof your security and conquer DeFi. You're already deep in decentralized finance, but DeFi is only as strong as its foundation, and that foundation needs an upgrade. This brings us to monetary system security and algorithmic power for decentralized value distribution. The harvest now, decrypt later threat is real. That's why the best courses are focused on post-quantum cryptography, PQC, and quantum key distribution, QKD. You need to be the person who guides your company, or your clients, to a quantum-safe transition. And for DeFi, quantum is the key to scaling. Imagine quantum smart contracts that are not only theoretically unbreakable, but can also handle infinitely more complex logic. Imagine quantum algorithms speeding up blockchain consensus, leading to faster, cheaper, and more scalable decentralized exchanges. This isn't just about security, it's about being the engineer who builds the next-gen DeFi infrastructure. Benefit point 3, master data like a god-tier CEO. Every business, every investment firm, every Web3 project lives and dies by its data. We're talking quantum computing, advanced data processing, and exploring marketing concepts. Classical machine learning is great, but quantum machine learning, QML, that's different. It can analyze massive, complex datasets to find correlations and patterns that are simply invisible to classical computers. For you, that translates to hyper-personalization. Creating financial products so perfectly tailored to a user, they have to buy them. It means dynamic pricing optimization that adjusts instantaneously based on real-time market behavior. It means enhancing credit scoring for underserved communities, driving both profit and social impact. You won't just process data, you'll wield it to predict market shifts and consumer behavior with terrifying accuracy. This is the skill that gets you the corner office. The quantum skills are 1-point speed, 2 security, 3 scalability, 4 processing, 5-point encrypting, 6 transacting, 7 infrastructure, 8 decentralizing, 9 marketing, 10 trading, 11 duo strategy. These 11 areas from monetary system speed to holistic financial systems transformation are a future-proof career checklist. This tech is moving from the lab to the market faster than you think. The time to learn is now. If you're serious about being a top-tier financial professional in the quantum era, you need the right guide. There is a course that covers these 11 areas, specifically designed for people with your background. Tap the link in the description right now to check out the program and start your quantum journey. And while you're down there, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. We're the channel that keeps your career ahead of the curve, always. Go get quantum, and I'll see you in the next video.